My dear students, we are in the unit 2.5 and we have the poetry The Autumn. Autumn is originally written by Kalidas, then translated into English by Professor A.W. Ryder. This poem Autumn talks about the autumn season that comes in India, which is between September and December when we see the harvest being taking place, and that's the kind of a observation that the poet makes, Kalidas. And what is happening here is the whole season is compared to a lady. The whole season is compared to a beautiful lady, a beautiful young lady. And so we have this kind of a personal personification figure of speech. The whole poem is personified as a maiden. And also we have a lot of metaphors in this particular poem that is coming. We will see now in the first stanza that we have two stanzas. The first stanza talks about the daytime and how the season looks during the day in the autumn season. So let's read the poem and also understand. The first stanza: The autumn comes, a maiden fair, in slenderness and grace, with nodding rice stamps in her hair and lilies in her face. In flowers of grasses she is clad, and as she moves along, birds greet her with cooing glad, like a bracelet's tinkling song. Now, this first stanza talks about the autumn season, and if you go, especially in villages, and see how this harvest is taking place, the corns coming up, they look so beautiful. So that's why that description is made. Also, lots of flowers around the field, that also is made nicely given. And because there are corns, flowers around, how the beautiful birds go around singing. So all this description is beautifully given in the first stanza of this poem. The second stanza talks about the autumn season, how it looks in the night. How does this particular season looks in the night? We read the stanza and see. A diadem adorns that night of multitudinous stars. Her silken robe is white moonlight, set free from cloudy bars, and on her face, that is the radiant moon, bewitching smiles are shown. She seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown. Now, if you see, it talks about once the rainy season and everything is over, in September to December, we have the beautiful moonlight that is coming out, the beautiful stars that come up, the clouds, white clouds that move about. All this description is made in the second stanza. So, the whole poem is about personification and also lots of metaphor, indirect comparison that is done between the persons, the autumn season, and the climate and the different aspects that come. That is all about this poem Autumn. So you can look more into it, which I will be giving you also more write-ups and more things about this poem. Wish you all the best for this particular poem to understand and also to become a poet by imaginations, by our own imagination, thinking about different things, how we can connect different things to different people. All the best and God bless you.